back to Mr. Oden. Today, I have been waiting. This is the draw I want. I want Bora. I call it Bora. Yeah, Bora. Yeah. This, I don't care about these. So I just want Bora. I have 111 draw, then I have 7 tickets. Please. It's not a guaranteed though. What? New cat, I guess. Oh! Got a shockwave attacker. At least it's an Uber. Let's just score 7 more. Give me Bora. At least I have one anti-alien. No. No. I have been waiting for an actual week to spend these. No. I've been collecting these for over a week because I don't even get one per day. So I've been... Two! Let's go! At least, but no Bora! But I have 2 Ubers! Oh, I might be able to get past! I got not many gas space. The last 2 tickets. Please. Just a shaman cat. Last ticket. Super rare. Holy! Use. Oh my. Yo! 2 birds. Sheesh. I'm just gonna claim 1 can. Use. Wait. My friend's fucking asking me a thing. Stoony the Poonie. Bro, yeah. Oh. And now I have like 20 trillion XP. But no Bora. Oh. Oh my. Wait. A Phantom of Darkness born into space. It's the weakening. Shockwave attack. Ooh, cool. Will I be able to get 20? I'm leveling this up to 10 too. I'm just gonna add Donny the Pony. So he can help me do the commentary. Okay.
Välkommen till röstbrevlådan. Lämna ett meddelande efter signalen.
But holy my luck. Let's go. Okay, say hi to the fucking viewers. Oh shit. But okay. Yeah, now I have the person to use commentary with. But I have good news for my Battlecast series. Might actually be able to get some stuff because I have 2 anti-alien cats. And I need anti-aliens. Oh, I can upgrade Legend Wares to 30.
I'm also gonna play Battlecast.
Nice. But I have had a torture. So I have literally been waiting for almost a month just to get the special draw, and I didn't get the cat I wanted. At least I got 2 Ubers. I got Yamini and no, I don't want to read the names because I spook.
Oh no, a snake is attacking me.
Holy, that's a lot of status effects. Holy. How have I managed to get 2 Ubers in 18 draws? Non-guaranteed too. That's pretty good. I've gotten 20 draws and not gotten anything.
I'm gonna search for a game that I can play on my series.
Nice. But check this idiot's channel. This dude makes some good videos.
What's his name?
Dooney the Pooney. That's your name.
Yeah, exactly. That's his name.
What?
That's what I said.
Okay, but I'm gonna try Madagascar now. The one with the dumb ass aliens.
One Punch Man World. No,
I've got I was annoying to get past the Great Abyss. Yeah, I have Mohawk Cat now. Yeah, I'm just gonna save.
Mohawk Cat.
I'm gonna save for my Shockwave boy. That's gonna be good for meat shields too. Oh yeah, alien. Oh yes, angels. Fuck the angels. Go back to heaven or. These angels feels like they came. It feels like the angels came from hell. Black 2. I forgot what was in this stage, so I'm basically dead off the start. If I use a sniper cat, a rich cat maybe.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna try you with rich cats and stuff.
How did you get so good at this game?
I don't know. I've played it a lot. Might you speed up too?
I've been grinding a game for the past 1 week. This game has been quite annoying to grind.
What game?
I've played it before. It's like Blues TD6. I lost my account and now I'm playing it again. So
Shockwaves.
I need a new
Yes.
account. I made a new account so I can get better stuff.
Okay, but I play a lot of BT6 too. But finally, I got past the first dumb dog. Alien dogs suck. I mean, angel. Use your shockwave ability. Yeah, AoE is good. Get on my other Ubers that you steal damage. Oh no, I forgot metal. Metal sucks.
Metal?
Yes, the metal the metal idiot hippos are in this level. How is this not a basically boss stage? 'Cause if the next stage is even harder, I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to finish this using cat cannon because I want to get rid of these metals as quick as I can.
So metal is annoying in that game.
Yeah, very annoying.
I just wish I had a way to like film on my Xbox or my Nintendo or something like that.
Yeah, me too.
Well, not on my Nintendo, but just my Xbox.
I wish I could do a security breach playthrough. 4 hippos! Oh, I killed one. Died, dumb metal. Another one did. Thank God I might be able to beat this. If there's another fucking boss, because these enemies are already extremely hard. If there's like a boss like it was like the fucking alien head, I'm dead. At least I have an army of 2 monkeys that like shockwaves. That were forced in the ground for 20 trillion. I won. Let's go. I might win. Can't deploy anymore. Okay.
I made an appearance in this video.
Yeah, because we haven't done a collab in 20 years.
Yeah, this.
Yes!
I don't even know if it counts as one.
Yeah, but I was just oh my. Feels so good to be done with that garbage. Let's see how Kenya is. Let's see about Kenya. Only aliens, only aliens, only aliens, please.
Have you seen the new? Hero, Corvus?
I have it.
I have him too.
He's kind of good.
Yeah, it's good. Wait.
Give me monkey. I need monkey. He deals damage. My meteors ain't gonna be able to kill these red enemies.
I thought that was a game about cats.
What? Yeah, monkey's one of the elemental pixies. No, the off-brand Pokemon gang.
Oh, okay.
And there's anime women in this game, so this ain't only about cats.
Anime woman. Why is there anime woman in the blue?
I don't know. But I'm pretty happy that I managed to get some good stuff. And there's also a helpful rare cat capsule event that's going on. Yes, monkey! I think that's a monkey at least.
I'm gonna check if there's a way to like record on Xbox. Because I want to do that actually.
I wish I could record on Nintendo, because then I could make a SB. But yeah, I have SB on my Nintendo, so I'm playing through SB right now.
Yeah, same here. I'm at the loading dock. I was stuck at the daycare for quite a while.
Moon just taunted me. I would have died if Moon didn't just want to taunt me.
He was dancing with you.
He was dancing in front of me. He was fucking he was just jumping up and down. I can hit you.
So what do you think your upload schedule is? Like, is it
Black Monkey?
One video per week. Is that your upload schedule?
My video is at least 1 video per year. That's my only goal. 1 video per year. Why is there black monkeys? I'm not kidding. Don't take that out of context. Do not take that out of context.
That's not good.
Don't take that out of context, though.
Why not?
You can make that to something racist.
Wanna collab?
Cat. Holy shit! I don't have it. I have 15 cat food. I don't know what to do. What does this do even?
Submarine.
I hate these monkeys.
Why is every person in BTD6 why is every tower in BTD6 a monkey except for 3 of the support towers?
I don't know. And I hate these dumb monkeys.
Hey, yo!
Don't take that out of context. There's a oh my god! I hate black enemies. Do not take that out of context either. But there are black enemies in Battle Cats. That's who I'm
Why, though? And are they evil?
Yes, they have fucking glowing red eyes.
Bro, that fits them.
People shouldn't take that out of context.
Have you ever heard that song, Minecraft won't add inches to your car?
What?
You should listen to it.
No.
Be careful of the Enderman, cause he's black. That's what they say in the song. If you don't believe me, go listen to it. It's very good. Top tier, S tier.
You basically have to rush down the stage. What I mean, no, I actually need to like kind of speed run Ubers. I'm gonna speed run.
I killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Nice. Ash Ketchum got killed from 2 birds.
What?
And he's in a coma. Oh, I hate the dumb monkeys. Because they shred my line of defense.
Then get a better line of defense.
Kind of my best. Fuck these monkeys! Die! Yeah, you die. Fuck those monkeys. Do not take that out of context either. Why do I have to make so many things not to take out of context?
Why am I not supposed to take it out of context?
It can become something racist for the fucking.
I don't think so.
Legs. I'm eating legs chips.
You're eating legs?
Yes, I don't want to say the company name, but you should know what it is.
So
Legs
you're eating
chips.
Lays.
I'm eating legs.
You're eating OLW.
No, it's just legs.
Why not OLW?
I bought the off-brand version. Legs.
Bro, who buys the off-brand version?
I do.
Why?
That's the goat! I found a goat. Bro, the goat is the Flash. Legs chips taste good.
Yeah, what flavor? Barbecue?
No, onions and cheese.
What the hell? Bro, that sounds disgusting.
They aren't disgusting.
You said that they tasted delicious.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Coming!
Do you guys think I'm gonna beat this level? Die. It's good to have the elemental pippies. The off-brand Pokemon gang on my side.
Okay, I'm back.
Mr. Off-brand Pokemon gang, attack! Bonk. This level really likes alien seals.
Alien seal?
Yes.
That's very nice.
They are very annoying meat shields.
Okay.
Because the fucking enemies use them as a meat shield and they're tanky. Thank God I have an alien killing machine. Bonk.
You do?
Yeah, I have monkey. Now I have 2 monkeys. Legs, chips, tasty, but full of air.
Sometime.
What do you say?
Do you want to do a collab sometime? In
Sure.
like a million years.
But you are kinda in my video.
Yeah, but not like a playing collab.
Okay. My upload schedule at least 1 per year.
Yeah, that's not.
That level was easy. Monkey is OP. Blood fruit? What the blood fruit? Oh, Gamatoto. Hi, Gamatoto. Let's see what my rewards are. Cat food. Go back on a full expedition. See you in 6 hours. Lists. I'm just gonna go check on menu. Treasures. I don't have the crystals, which is not good. Bruh, I don't know what. Here, blood fruit. Abilities used on red enemies are more effective. Okay. Egypt, I choose to kill you.
What? That's not. Okay, you're not allowed to kill Egypt.
Holy, Egypt has a lot of stickmen.
Bro, first, what are you. Bro, are there stickmen in Battle Cats?
Yes, a lot of them too.
Bro, what the hell?
The shockwave monkey's gonna one-shot all of them.
Velociraptor moment.
Hey, Black Doge, you're not in my family because I'm not black.
What? Yeah, well, you are not. And that it's good that you're not, but like, still, that sounded weird.
Wait a minute. What did you say? That sounded a bit weird. Flying alien. Seriously, the dumb moth. I hate alien moths. Stop hitting my damage dealer.
Why do you hate alien moms?
Moth. Not mom, moth.
I like alien moms.
Bruh, you know what I mean. Flying moth. Another what? Woman of time. Good, you killed one. Shockwave monkey and woman of time and woman of flower bow. So basically, Delilah Mid Wars kit.
What does it do? Like,
It basically puts a flower above you that deals tick damage.
oh, okay.
And it's kinda OP. But these levels are getting crushed.
Is it because you're so good?
Yeah. And mostly thanks to this monkey.
I like this.
Monkey is good. What? I got another treasure.
I'm saving for the Tyrannosaurus.
I wish I could get. It will be impossible, but I wish I could get these from Russia. I think I can get them, but it will like take 20 years, and I will use up all my treasure things.
How long is this video?
I don't know. After this level, I'm stopping.
And how long have you been recording for?
I don't know. But I will make a part, a part 5, I think, soon. 4 or 5. Monkey. Go back. I want to be monkey.
Go back. I don't want monkeys near me.
Go back. I want to be monkey.
Go back. I don't want monkeys.
Go back, you red pigs.
Go back, you monkey.
No, seriously, I'm trying to get these red pigs. No, I got monkeys so I can crush the red pigs. Of course, an alien hippo. But
Why is there an alien hippo?
I don't know, and they're very annoying because they spam attacks. At least I have monkey now. A lot of pigs and an alien hippo, and the pigs just died with one attack of monkey.
Corvus.
Half the HP of the fucking dumb anus is gone. Kill this hippo! Good, hippo dead. I'm trying to rush down the stages. Monkey! Hit him with the chalk. Alien bit! I'm dead. At least it's not the black bear, which is basically invincible. Bro, kill this dumb bear. It has AoE attacks. I don't like AoE attacks.
Why?
Because it hits my Ubers and my meat shields don't work.
Damn, bro.
I don't like shockwave enemies. They just kill
Corvus
everything.
is very overpowered.
Yeah, Corvus is... What?
What?
Did I hear that wrong?
Yeah, what? Here, what's wrong?
Or was it just my fucking imagination? I heard Corvus wrong, I think.
I said, Corvus is actually quite OP. What did you hear?
I don't know. I just heard Corvus as some... I don't actually know. But I heard it wrong, I think. Because I just heard Corvus Karlak.
Okay.
Monkey! Kill... Oh! I know why Monkey barely took damage. Because he's resistant to aliens.
I know monkeys don't take damage. They run so fast and they're so athletic.
Yeah, you're definitely... Yeah, you're going to Gulag.
But monkeys, they are humans. Like, humans evolved from monkeys. That's why monkeys also are athletic.
Still, people can take that out of context, smartass.
How, though?
It was a mistake inviting you to this video.
Oh, why? I'm just chilling.
Die! Die, dumb King Bear! Go back to Russia where you came from. You're not supposed to be in the desert of fucking South Missouri.
Is he gonna go back kicking nuts in Russia? Mother Russia.
We're going back to Russia. This video is definitely gonna get fucking made for it. It's gonna fucking... I'm not gonna get money.
The meme where the bear kicks the man?
Oh, yeah. Have you seen the meme where I fucking roundhouse kick you in the rat?
What the heck?
I was just checking my battery. But I think that's a good place to end this video. Bye, Mr. Oat. I'm out.